Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about a very exciting topic. Rich people are investing in these 10 assets in 2026. If you want to build wealth, create passive income, and become financially free, then watch this carefully, because rich people don't just save money, they buy assets. 1. Index funds and ETFs. The first asset is index funds, like the S&P 500 ETFs. Rich investors love these because they are simple, safe for long-term investing, and grow steadily over time. Instead of choosing one company, you invest in the entire market. This is why many millionaires keep a large portion of their money in ETFs. 2. AI and technology stocks. Artificial intelligence is booming in 2026. Companies connected to AI, semiconductors, cloud computing, and robotics are growing very fast. Rich investors are putting money into the future of technology because AI is changing every industry. The people investing early could benefit the most in the next 5 to 10 years. 3. Bitcoin and crypto. Yes, crypto is still one of the hottest assets in 2026. Many wealthy investors now treat Bitcoin like digital gold. Even big financial institutions in the US are investing in crypto assets. Now remember, crypto is risky, so smart investors usually invest a small percentage of their portfolio, not everything. 4. Real estate. Real estate continues to make millionaires. Rental properties generate monthly cash flow while the property value increases over time. Rich people love assets that create passive income. That's why apartments, rental homes, and commercial properties remain powerful wealth-building tools. 5. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks pay you regularly just for holding them. Imagine getting paid every quarter while your investment also grows in value. That's why wealthy people invest in strong companies that share profits with shareholders. This creates another source of passive income. 6. Treasury bills and bonds. Many rich investors also keep money in safe assets like treasury bills and bonds. Why? Because smart investing is not only about making money, it is also about protecting money. These assets provide stability and lower risk during uncertain markets. 7. Gold and precious metals. Gold has been valuable for thousands of years. Whenever inflation rises or the economy becomes uncertain, investors move toward gold. Rich people use gold as protection for their wealth. Some also invest in silver and other precious metals. 8. Energy and power companies. In 2026, energy demand is increasing because data centers and electric technologies require massive power. This is creating opportunities in energy companies, power infrastructure, nuclear energy, renewable energy. Wealthy investors are following where the future demand is going. 9. Businesses and side hustles. One of the biggest secrets of rich people is this: most millionaires own businesses, whether it is online businesses, YouTube channels, e-commerce stores, or local companies. Businesses can generate unlimited income potential. This is why entrepreneurship remains one of the fastest ways to build wealth. 10. Skills and personal brand. And finally, the most important asset is you. Rich people invest in skills like sales, marketing, investing in tools, content creation, communication. In 2026, your personal brand can become an income source. A YouTube channel, social media audience, or online skill can completely change your financial future. Conclusion. So these were the top 10 assets rich people are investing in during 2026. Remember, poor people spend money on liabilities. Rich people buy assets. Start small, stay consistent, and focus on long-term wealth building. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe,